Furman VS Georgia by David Church. Overview. Happened in 1972. Furman v. Georgia was a United States Supreme Court decision that ruled for a degree of consistency in the application of the death penalty. The case led to a de facto moratorium. A de facto moratorium is a law that ended mandatory death penalties. This came to an end when Gregg v. Georgia was decided in 1976. Background. In the Furman v. Georgia case, the resident awoke in the middle of the night to find William Henry Furman committing robbery in his house. At the trial, Furman said that while he was trying to escape, he tripped and accidentally killed the victim. This contradicted his prior statement to the police, stating that he blindly fired a shot while fleeing. Furman was tried and found guilty based on his own statement. He was sentenced to death, but the death penalty was never carried out. The court, in a 5-4 decision, reasoned that capital sentencing based on the unguided discretion of juries offends the cruel and unusual punishment clause of the Eighth Amendment, because it permits juries to impose the distinctively profound sentence of death on some convicted defendants, while other juries impose the far different sentence of life imprisonment on large numbers of similarly situated defendants convicted of exactly the same crime. This is a picture of Furman and the case and the judge that appointed the case. The aftermath. The court's decision forced the states and the U.S. Congress to rethink their statutes for capital offenses to assure that the death penalty would not be administered in a capricious or discriminatory manner. In the following 4 years, 37 states enacted new death penalty laws aimed at overcoming the court's concerns about arbitrary imposition on the death penalty.